Hello students, this is physics session for class 10th and I am here with some important questions which may be asked in the board examination. As you know, I am making it very clear that more than 20% questions are frequently asked in board examination. So, to achieve good marks, numerical approach is very important. So, that is why you have to keep in mind that numerical approach is very important to achieve good marks. Now, let us start with the first question. Question number 1. When an object is placed at a distance of 50 centimeter from a concave mirror produces magnification -1/2 where should the object be placed to get magnification of -1/5. So, we will see this question. The object is placed at a distance of 50 centimeter. So, it means object distance is given u equal to -50 centimeter, because object is always considered in the left side. That is why we will use sign convention minus sign for object distance. And one more thing is magnification is given m equal to -1/2. So, we will use magnification formula. Since m equal to -v/u for mirror, -1/2, this is equal to -v/-50 centimeter, or you can write -1/2, this is equal to v/50 centimeter, or v equal to, you can cancel it, 2 and 2, 25. So, v equal to -25 centimeter. Now, you have the values u and V. By using these two values, first of all we will find out focal length of the mirror. So, using mirror formula, one upon F equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U 1 upon minus 25 centimeter plus 1 upon minus 50 centimeter. So, it is 1 by minus 25 and it is plus, it is minus. So, this is minus 1 by 50. Now, take LCM, it is 50. So, minus 2 minus 1, this is minus 3 by 50, this is 1 by F. Therefore, focal length F equal to minus 50 by 3 or minus 16.67 centimeter approximately. So, now you have find out focal length of the mirror. Now, the question is, where should the object placed to get magnification of minus 1 by 5. So, again magnification is minus 1 by 5. So, we will use magnification formula, since magnification m equal to minus v by u. So, minus 1 by 5, this is equal to minus v by u. It means 5v equal to u. It means v equal to u by 5. Okay. Now, again we will use mirror formula, 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. This time focal length is known. It is we can use this value for focal length to make calculation easier. This is 1 by minus 50 by 3. This is equal to 1 by, we will replace this by u by 5. So, at this place you can write u by 5. So, it is u by 5 plus 1 upon u. Okay. Now, this is 3 upon minus 50. This is equal to 5 by u plus 1 by u. This is 6 by u. Okay. This is 3 by minus 50. Now, you can cross multiply 3u is equal to minus 50 into 6. Therefore, u equal to minus 50 into 6 by 3. Okay. Now 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. This is minus 100 centimeter. Okay. This is the required value, u equal to minus 100 centimeter. Minus sign shows that the object is in the left side of mirror. Because it is sign convention, it means the object is in front of the mirror. It means it is placed in the left side of pole. Okay. Now take a screenshot of it. Now next question, question number 2. The speed of light in water is 2.25 meter per second. If the speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, calculate refractive index of water. So, this is the question. The speed of light in water is 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. If the speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, calculate refractive index of water. Okay. This is the question. Now, first of all, we will note what values are given. Speed of light in water is given and speed of light in vacuum, it is also given. So, speed of light in water, you can write VW, W means water. So, speed of light in water is 2.25 meter per second, and speed in vacuum, this is C. C means speed of light in vacuum, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Calculate refractive index of water. Refractive index of water. It is to be find out. Now, since as you know, refractive index, since refractive index n equal to C upon V, n means refractive index, or we can write refractive index of water, this is equal to C upon speed of light in water. So, C means speed of light in vacuum, it is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and VW means speed of light in water. It is 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now, meter per second, it is cancelled. 10 to the power 8, it is also cancelled. Now, you can write this 300 upon 225. This is you can write 25 9 ja 225 and this is 25 1 ja 25 50, this is 2. 12 by 9, it is 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. It is 4 by 3. It means approximately it is, you can write 4 by 3 or 1.33. This is required value. So, refractive index of water is 1.33. Okay. Now, take a screenshot of it. Now, next question. Question number 3. A 2.0 centimeter tall object is placed at a distance of 40 centimeter from a diverging lens of focal length 15 centimeter. Find position and size of image. This is question. So, first of all we will find out what values are given 2 centimeter tall object. It is given, it means height of object is given. Where it is placed? It is placed at a distance of 40 centimeter from diverging lens, and focal length of diverging lens is given. So, first of all we will note these values. Height of object h it is given 2.0 centimeter. As you know, object is always perpendicular to the principal axis in upward direction. So, we will use plus sign convention for this value because it is always erect. So, we will write here plus sign, it is now positive. Object distance is given object distance u equal to 40 centimeter. As you know, since object is always placed in the left side of lens, so we will use sign convention here minus sign because object is considered in the left side of the lens. And now focal length is given and it is 15 centimeter. What type of lens is mentioned in this question? It is diverging lens. Diverging lens means, do you know what is diverging lens? It is actually concave lens. Diverging lens is concave lens. So, focal length f, it is taken as negative minus 15 centimeter because it is diverging lens. Okay. Now, we will use lens formula. Using lens formula, one by f, this is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, 1 upon minus 15, this is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon minus 40. You can write this 1 upon v minus minus plus 1 upon 40 and this is 1 upon minus 15. Okay. So, we can write this 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon minus 15 minus 1 by 40. Okay. Now, this is actually transfer this value in the left side. So, it will become minus 1 by 40. So, minus 1 by 15 and minus 1 by 40. This is equal to 1 upon v. So, you can write like this 1 upon v equal to minus 1 by minus 15 minus 1 by 40. Now, take LCM of both. This is 120. So, 15 8 ja minus 8 minus 43 ja minus 3. So, this is minus 11 upon 120. This is 1 upon v. Okay. Therefore, v equal to 120 upon 11. Okay, minus 11. So, this is minus 11 1 ja 11, 1, it is 10, 0 point. Now, this is 100, 11 9 ja 99, this is approximately 10.9 centimeter. This is position of the image. Now, for size of image, we will use magnification formula. Since m equal to, for lens m equal to h dash upon h, this is equal to v upon u. So, you can write this h dash upon h means height of object, it is given 2 centimeter. This is equal to v. The value of v is this, you can use this value 120 upon minus 11 upon u. What is the value of u? You can see here, this is minus 40 centimeter. So, this is minus 40 centimeter. Minus minus sign cancel out. So, h dash upon 2 centimeter, this is equal to 120 upon 11 into 40. Okay, 41 ja and 43 ja. This is 3 by 11. Now, you cross multiply 11 h dash, this is equal to 2 3 ja 6 centimeter. Therefore, h dash equal to 6 by 11 centimeter. This is 0.11 5s are 55. Then 1 is left, 55, 5 is left, 50 again. So, 11 4s are 54. So, approximately 0.54, or we can write 0.5 centimeter. This is height of image. Again I repeat, 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, 1 upon minus 15 because focal length is minus 15. This is 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. It is minus 40 centimeter. So, 1 by minus 15 equal to 1 by v minus plus 1 by 40. This is equal to 1 upon v equal to 1 by minus 15 minus 1 by 40, because this value is transferred in this side. So, now 15 and 40, take LCM of both, it is 120. So, 15 8 is 120. So, minus 8 minus 43 is minus 3. It is minus 8 minus 3. This is minus 11 upon 120, it means V equal to 120 by minus 11. It is approximately minus 10.9. Okay. Since magnification m equal to h dash by h, this is equal to V by U. It is magnification formula for length. Okay. H dash upon h. H means height of object. It is 2 centimeter. This is equal to 120 by minus 11. We can use this value. It will make the process easier. 120 by 11 centimeter upon minus 40 centimeter. It is object distance. Okay. Now, you solve like this and you will get h dash equal to 0.54 centimeter or 0.5 centimeter. H dash means height of image. So, this is the complete solution. Now, take a screenshot of it. Now, this class is over. We will discuss some more questions related to board exams in the next video. Thank you, students.